Yazi bafethu, ever since ngaba khona ngiyaqala ukubona iphoyisa dedicated kanje ekusizeni abantu njengomkhwanaze. Not only he thinks as a police officer but also has more ideas engathi umuntu ophethe South Africa, like engathi upresident. Ngicela ulalele le statement before ngiphawule.
So the human rights then would rather focus on, yes, we have to look after the rights of everyone, but perhaps we might want to speak more about those that are innocent, because what we don't want to see as a South African police service, which is a pain that we experience every single day, that we're going to arrest a person or because he has committed a crime. So if you are a victim of a crime and the person is arrested by the police, you already suffered as a victim, and you end up suffering twice simply because when this person arrested, he goes to prison, your very same tax must look after that person. So it means you get a person that has harmed you and having to look after the person for the rest of his life while he's in custody.
Yeah, usayibeke wacaca ngicabanga ukuthi nimzwile. Leya nkulumo yomkhwanaze ayimfuni umuntu ocabanga kancane, ifuna umuntu onomqondo ovulekile. Uyabo? Umkhwanaze akasho lapho ukuthi igebengu azincisho ukudla. Futhi akasho igebengu ukuthi azincisho amalungelo okuphila. Yabo, akasho ukuthi ayibulawe kahle kahle. Umkhwanaze into azama ukisho ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi mina ngibophisa isigebengu mase ngintshontshelile noma singilimazile. Uyabo? Bese mina futhi kudonswa kwi-tax yami kondliwe leso sigebengu leso ukuthi siphile ejele. Asizisebenzele. Iyona into azama ukisho umkhwanaze le ukuthi izigebengu azisebenze emajele. Azinikezwe amalungelo okusebenza, zisebenzele into yokuphila, ukudla kahle kahle, totally nensipho nazo zonke into ezizitholayo namanzi. Yabo? So leyo nto leyo ave ukuthi bazobehlukunyezwa le South Africa yinto vele yenzakalayo kwamanye amazwe. eChina igebengu zakhona azitholi izinto mahala, ziyavuka ekuseni njalo ngo-6 mangenze research, ziyavuka ngabo-6 ziyadla, emva kaloko ziyasebenza, maqeda ngo-12 lunch emini ziyadla okokugcina, zidla okokugcina ngo-12 bese ziqhubeka ziphusha umsebenzi, ngo-6 ziyavala ziyolala, futhi zidla kabili, the whole day ziyasebenza, zisebenzela ukudla, bese bathola le stipend esincane lesi, khona imali abayithola encane nama-skills ukuthi uma kwenzeka sebephuma la baphume bekwazi ukwenza something. Kodwa isikhathi esiningi babafaka kulezi zinto lezi ezibenefitha umphakathi, ezikhulisa ne-country, like ukutshala ukudla as well as agriculture ngizosho kanjalo, bese kuba ukuthunga, zonke lento no farming, ikhulisa izinkukhu, into enjalo nje, ama skills ababanikeza wona ukuthi bangabe bephuma benze lezo zinto. Not only in China kuphela, ko Norway, ko Ghana, Indonesia, USA, ko Canada, o South Korea no Netherlands, amazwe amaningi ayakwenza lokho. But iSouth Africa yona into eyenzayo ivelalisa abantwana babantu lapha ibafida ukudla, ibalalisa abantwana ibafida ukudla, of which aba benefit lutho baphuma be clueless emajele. So into azama ukisho umkhwanazi ukuthi i-tax lena asingabakhokheli i-tax ukuthi ba-survive, but abakusebenzeli ukusurvive emajele. Asikwazi ukuthi sibondle, of which it makes sense. Mina bafethu ngiyaqala ubona iphoyisa elicabanga kanje ngale ndlela ukuthi umqondo walo ululeke ngale ndlela yokuthi licabanga okudlula ngisho president bethu. Ngisho president akayicabangi lonto leyo. So it makes me ngiyibuze umbuzo ukuthi ngempela ngabe umkhwanaze ubizo lakhe bekuba iphoyisa noma ubizo lakhe ukuthi abe upresident wase South Africa. So nginale umbuzo leyo. Danko.